And welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Exp25 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, mylab accounting, mylab finance, mylab Excel, mylab Word, mylab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, and many more online courses. I am handling many students courses on Cengage, Mintab, MC Grahil, Simnet, my Attila Pearson, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade with very reasonable price. I can do your all simulation training, all assignments, project, midterm exam, and final exam. Now I am going to start my assignment to solve it step by step. Okay. The title of assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property. This is the 25th session of this Excel. Okay, Exp25 session of this Excel. Start Excel, download and open the file name Exp25 Excel Chapter 2 ML2 Vacation Property XLS. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson AttiLab dashboard. Now, I am going to show my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from Pearson AttiLab dashboard portal. You can download easily from your Pearson portal. This is question number 2 of this assignment. Write an if function in cell D9 that calculates the down payment for the mortgage. The down payment is 15% of the purchase price. If the customer is considered high risk of or 5% of the purchase price, if the considered low risk, the criteria to assess the risk of the loan is based on the credit score. Value in cell B6. If the credit score is less than the low risk cut of 450, the down payment is 15% of the purchase price. If not, the down payment is 5% of the purchase price of the home. Be sure to use the appropriate absolute or mixed references when referencing the input values in the range before to B6. Then use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell D28. Basically, in this question, we will go to our Excel workbook and we will enter a function in cell D9. Press is equal to, we will click on cell D9 in the Excel workbook and then press is equal to in cell D9. Then we will enter our function. Sorry, one second. C9, press is equal to, and we will enter function a function, and logical test is C9 less than, okay, B6 is absolute reference value, B6 is absolute low risk cutoff, okay, C9 is credit score, B6 is low risk cutoff, and B4 is high risk down payment percentage, and B9 is house cost multiplying by B5. B5 is low risk down payment percentage. Then we will press enter and then we will find down payment in cell D9. You can see here I have find this value. Now then use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell D28. We will use the fill handle to copy down. Okay, use fill handle to copy the formula through cell D28. Now I am going to do next question is question number 3. In question number 3, enter a formula to calculate the percent financed in cell E9. The percent financed in the amount financed dividing by purchase price. Next, use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping cell E28. Okay, enter a formula to To calculate the percentage finance in cell E9, we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell E9, press is equal to okay, press is equal to into B9 minus D9. Okay, B9 is house cost minus D9 is down payment and dividing by B9. B9 is house cost. Then we will press enter. It will be found percentage financed in cell E9. Okay, now we will use fill handle to copy the formula down through cell E28. You can see I have entered a formula and I have find percentage finance in cell E9. Now I am use fill handle to copy down the formula through cell E28. Okay, this is good now. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. I have done this question so well. Please focus on my PC screen. The next question of this assignment is question number 4. Enter a formula in cell F9 to calculate the amount financed. The amount financed should be calculated as calculated as the purchase price minus down payment. After entering the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in cell F28. Simply, we will enter a formula in cell F9 to calculate the amount financed. Okay. Purchase price minus down payment. We will go to our Excel workbook and then we will enter a formula in cell F9. Click on cell F9. Press is equal to in cell F9. Purchase price minus B9 is 1 second. Purchase price minus down payment. Okay. B9 minus D9. D9 is down payment and B9 is purchase price. We will press enter. It will be find amount financed in cell F9. Now use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in cell F28. Okay, we will use copy the fill handle down through cell F28. Fill without formatting. This question is done now. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. You can see I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. Now I am going to do question number 5. The question number 5 of this assignment is that use the VLOOKUP function in cell G9 to look up the mortgage rate based on the customer credit score and the data in the range D4 to E6. Be sure to use the appropriate absolute or mixed cell references. Use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in cell G28. Basically, in this question, we will use the VLOOKUP function in cell G9 to look up the mortgage rate based on the customer credit score and the data in the range D4 to E6. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook and then we will enter this formula. Then we will use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in cell G28. We will go to our Excel workbook and then click on cell G9. Press is equal to and enter VLOOKUP function in cell G9. First we will click on cell G9 and then we will press is equal to in cell G9 and enter VLOOKUP function. C9. Okay, credit score and then D4 is absolute reference value. D4 is credit score. D4 to E6. Okay, then 2 we will press enter and then it will be find mortgage rate in cell G9. You can see I have find mortgage rate. Now use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in cell G28. Use the fill handle, copy down the formula cell G28. Use fill without formatting. Okay. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. The next question of this assignment is question number 6. Calculate the rate per period in cell H9. All mortgage being financed will be paid monthly. After completing the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down stopping in cell I28. Okay, calculate the rate per period in cell H9. Okay. Calculate the rate per period in H9. Click on cell H9. So we will press is equal to. So we will enter a formula in cell H9. G9 is mortgage rate dividing by 12 is month. Then we will press enter. It will find rate per period in cell H9. Now use fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell H28. Okay. So use fill handle to copy down the formula, stopping in I-28 fill without formatting. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 7. I have done 6 questions of this assignment right now. Now I am going to do question number 7. Calculate the total number of payment periods in cell J9 based on the years financed in cell I9. After completing the formula, use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell J28. Okay. Basically in this question we will calculate the total number of payment periods in cell J9 based on the years financed in cell I9. We will go to, okay, when we will find this value, then we will copy down the formula, stopping in cell J28. Simply we will go to our Excel workbook, then we will click on cell J9. Click on cell J9, press is equal to, and then we will enter a formula in cell J9. Press is equal to I9 multiplying by 12. Okay, I9 multiplying by 12, and then we will press enter. It will be found hash of PMT periods in cell J9. You can see I have found 180 hash of PMT periods. Now use the fill handle to copy the formula down, stopping in cell J28. Use fill handle to copy the formula down and stopping a J28. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 8. I have done 7 question of this assignment right now. The question number 8 is that use the PMT function to calculate the total monthly payment in cell K10 based on the periodic interest rate, number of periods and amount financed. Ensure the result are a positive values, then use the fill handle to copy the function down, stopping in cell K28. Simply we will go to our Excel workbook, click on cell K10, then we will use PMT function to calculate the total monthly payment in cell K10. Click on cell K10, K9, press is equal to, we will find PMT, enter PMT function. Using PMT function, H9 is rate per period, and then J9 is hash of PMT periods, minus F9 is amount financed. Then we will press enter. It will be find payment amount in cell K9. Then ensure the result are positive values. Use the fill handle to copy the function down, stopping in cell K28. Okay, use fill handle to copy the formula down cell K28. Okay, this is so good. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. I have done 8 question of this assignment right now. Question number 9 is use quick analysis to calculate the total of all payments in cell K29. Use quick analysis not available. If using max, use AutoSum to calculate the sum of the range K9 to K28. Simply we will go to our Excel workbook and then click on cell K29. Okay, sorry, we will use quick analysis to calculate the total of all payment in cell K29. We will select column K, right click on this. Okay, right click on this column K and then enter, use quick analysis tool, and then we'll press enter. We will find sum. Now I am going to do next question. You can see here, okay, you can see I have done complete assignment for my student and I have got A plus grade, but I just show you 10 question in this assignment in this video. If you need complete solution of this assignment and if you want to do this assignment from me, I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade with very reasonable price, and I can do complete course for you with A plus grade with very reasonable price. I will do your all simulation training, all assignments, project, midterm exam and final exam. You will be free from this course, and please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen and given in the first slide of this video. Okay, and reach me out for your other courses like mylab accounting, mylab finance, mylab excel, mylab word, mylab powerpoint, writing, economics, java, c++, python, nursing, medical and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.